Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P2135, indicates an issue with the throttle position, TP sensor A and B. This particular code signifies that there is an incorrect voltage correlation between the two sensors. Both sensors are crucial for the vehicle's throttle control system, as they provide overlapping voltage readings to the powertrain control module, PCM, to ensure coordinated engine performance. The TP sensors are typically located on the throttle body assembly, which regulates the airflow into the engine. When there is a discrepancy between the voltages of these sensors, it can lead to performance issues or reduced engine efficiency. Addressing this DTC promptly is essential for maintaining optimal vehicle operation and preventing further complications. The throttle position TP sensors A and B play pivotal roles in determining the angle of the throttle plate, which directly affects airflow and engine power output. Located on the throttle body, these sensors monitor the position of the throttle plate and send voltage signals to the PCM. If the sensors read inconsistently, it leads to DTC P2135. This inconsistency may result from a malfunctioning sensor, wiring issues, or a failing PCM itself. The PCM uses these readings to adjust engine functions accordingly and to ensure correct air-fuel mixtures. When the two TP sensors fail to correlate effectively, it throws the system into a fault mode to prioritize protection and prevent damage to engine components. Several potential causes can contribute to the activation of DTC P2135. First, a failure in either throttle position sensor A or B can lead to incorrect voltage readings. Additionally, damaged or frayed wiring between the sensors and the PCM can disrupt the signaling process, resulting in a voltage correlation error. A faulty powertrain control module, PCM, is another suspect. If the PCM is unable to process sensor data correctly, it will trigger this DTC. Poor connections or loose terminals at the throttle body or PCM could also be contributing factors. Being systematic in diagnosing these areas ensures a thorough resolution, safeguarding engine performance. The symptoms associated with DTC P2135 can significantly affect driving experience. Drivers may notice a reduction in engine performance, where the vehicle struggles to accelerate effectively. The throttle may also become unresponsive, resulting in a delayed reaction when pressing on the accelerator. This presents safety concerns, especially in critical driving situations. Additionally, the dashboard may illuminate warning lights, such as the check engine light, to alert the driver of the underlying issue. Observing these symptoms fosters early diagnosis and encourages prompt troubleshooting to avoid further complications in vehicle operation. In the first step of troubleshooting DTC P2135, begin by turning the vehicle key to the on mode, ensuring that all electrical systems are operational. This allows the vehicle's onboard diagnostic OBD system to initialize. Next, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the stored DTC. This process resets the system and will assist in verifying if the DTC reoccurs. After clearing, conduct a search for any pending or confirmed DTCs once again. If DTC P2135 appears, this indicates a persistent issue that needs further investigation. If it does not, the vehicle may be experiencing an intermittent failure, requiring inspection for poor connections or loose terminals. Continuing with the troubleshooting process for DTC P2135, turn the vehicle off and place it in the lock mode. Next, jump the SCS, Service Check Connector line, using the HDS for diagnostic purposes, waiting more than 1 minute for the system to prepare for testing. This SCS line signaling helps isolate the fault more effectively. Then, disconnect the PCM connector E, which has 80 pins, as this connector is central to the vehicle's operation and communication with the sensors. After disconnecting, it's crucial to check for continuity between specific test points on the connector. This step ensures that the wiring and connections between the sensors and the PCM are functioning correctly, identifying any potential wiring faults. To complete the troubleshooting process for DTC P2135, disconnect the throttle body's 6P connector. This action removes interference during continuity checks. Afterward, check for continuity between designated test points using the previously mentioned test points at PCM connector E. This testing ensures that the THL1 line is not shorted to the THL2 line, which can create discrepancies leading to DTC P2135. If continuity is detected between those points, it indicates a short circuit exists in the wiring connecting the throttle position sensors. In this case, repairs should be made to rectify any wiring issues. Conversely, if continuity is not detected, the wires are likely fine, suggesting that the throttle body itself may need replacement. After performing the necessary repairs for DTC P2135, it's critical to verify that the issue has been resolved. Begin by rechecking for any DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This step confirms whether the repair process has effectively fixed the problem. Next, conduct a test drive of the vehicle to ensure that it performs without any throttle-related issues. Monitor for signs of the previously experienced symptoms, such as reduced engine performance or warning lights. If no DTCs reappear and the vehicle responds correctly, then the repair can be concluded as successful. This thorough verification process ensures reliability and confidence in the vehicle's operation going forward. Preventive maintenance is essential in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P2135. Regular inspections of wiring and connectors associated with the throttle body can help detect wear or damage before they lead to sensor failures. Using quality replacement parts during repairs also minimizes the chances of recurrence, as lower-grade components may not hold up under typical automotive conditions. Additionally, keeping an eye on dashboard alerts and warning lights ensures that any developing issues are promptly addressed. Being proactive in vehicle maintenance increases reliability and helps sustain optimal engine performance over time, ultimately leading to a safer driving experience. In summary, DTC P2135 signifies an incorrect voltage correlation between the throttle position sensors A and B. Understanding the components involved is crucial for effective troubleshooting and repair. Following the specific steps outlined ensures a systematic approach to address the underlying issues effectively, from verifying the problem to conducting continuity checks. After repairs, implementing a final verification process confirms the success of the resolutions. Moreover, engaging in preventive maintenance practices minimizes the risk of such DTCs and maintains engine performance. Being diligent about these factors not only enhances vehicle reliability, but ultimately contributes to a safer driving environment. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.